Dear gastro-pilgrims, this is the medieval village of Guimerà in the province of Lleida, Catalunya. I've cooked here recently, as keen followers will remember. I know beans are not in season, but I can't resist some Faves a la Catalana, Catalan-style baby broad beans. Such a national staple that you get the recipe on the packet. I mean, what else would you do with broad beans around here? But I don't trust packets, so let's see what Catalunya's greatest culinary authority, Jaume Fàbrega, has to say. Sometimes you'll see broad beans shelled. Brilliant, but a bit fancy for Pete's pans, and for most people around here. But don't let me put you off. A Catalan botifarra negra, like a black sausage, but with plenty of meat. A blood sausage, or black pudding, or just a regular sausage will do fine. This stuff is called vi ranci, rancid wine. Not half as bad as it sounds, very much like sweet sherry. A drop of anise liqueur is optional too. Many recipes just call for a sweet wine. Whatever you've got, really. Avoid red wine, though. Some people swear by anise, others by vi ranci, which probably means it doesn't really matter. Or follow me and use both. This is young green garlic, normal cloves of garlic if not available. These authentic Catalan beans are spectacular, with the sweetness from the wines and the lovely light minty flavour. So do give these a go and let me know how you get on below, or just leave a comment. It's lovely to hear from you on my sometimes lonely culinary travels. Fins aviat. Adeu.